Hey, Tom's here from NC Squared. Wouldn't it be great if you could schedule meetings directly from Salesforce? We thought so too, and that's why we built Booking Engine. In a nutshell, it helps you schedule and route meetings directly in Salesforce and works beautifully with your calendar and meeting apps too. Right now, there's two scenarios Booking Engine is going to help you with. There's personal booking links that let your customers and prospects schedule time directly in your calendar. And there's also a great solution for team meeting handoff too. And that's the one we're going to start with today. Booking Engine lets you schedule and hand off meetings directly out of Salesforce, and that's where your team already lives and works. For example, it's ideal for SDRs that book meetings on behalf of account executives. Let's say I've called this lead from my queue in Salesforce and have just qualified them for a meeting. This can be a lead or a contact, whatever object you're using. What would typically happen is that I'd need to open up a whole bunch of calendars or team schedule spreadsheet to try and find a rep who's free at the same time as the customer. Or worse, go back and forth over email trying to pin down a date. But here in Booking Engine, it works out all the routing for me while I'm still on the phone. Whether round robin, account owner, or whoever's got an available slot, it picks a rep based on the rules that we've set. Booking Engine sits here in your Salesforce view, right on the record, and we just click Create Booking to launch it. I can choose from different booking types that we've set up behind the scenes. Based on your preferred routing logic, Booking Engine will suggest the next app host, if fairness and round robin is your thing, or you can opt to pick out from a list of other available reps for flexibility. So let's wrap up this booking. We pick a time slot, allocate a host. Then over here, we can confirm their email address. This is pulled from the Salesforce record itself. Add any additional attendees if needed, and confirm the meeting platform. Additionally, if we want, we can customize the text here for the meeting invite itself. Hit book, and that's it. The meeting is handed off. Behind the scenes, Booking Engine does its thing to automate all the next steps. An event is now automatically created in Salesforce for the meeting and assigned to the meeting host. The lead also got reassigned to the new host, and you can see all the latest booking information here. You can use this component to track whether the meeting was attended or not here too. Booking Engine sends the meeting invites to the hosts and a guest for you as well. It connects to Google and Microsoft calendars and lets you set up meetings on Teams, Zoom, or Google Meet, whatever platform your team uses. I mentioned that you can also generate shareable booking links. I'll show you what one of those looks like now. It's got your branded landing page here, and the customer can fill in their details and access your calendar to book a meeting directly with you. Similarly, this creates an event in Salesforce and sets the meeting directly in your calendar. It's as easy as that. Let's have a quick peek behind the scenes at how this is configured by your Salesforce admin or operations team. You can set up your different booking types here and build out your filtering and routing criteria. You can choose what sort of event to set up in Salesforce and filter by anything you want, industry for example, or route by territory, round robin, and you can also lean into more complex logic using our routing tool distribution engine. Because Booking Engine lives inside Salesforce, you can access all your meeting-related KPIs as part of your existing reports and dashboards. Very handy to have all your commercial metrics in one place. So let's wrap up. It's a really great solution accelerating the handoff process and cutting down the admin burden of actually setting up meetings and updating Salesforce, which, let's face it, is not the bit most reps love most about their job. I hope this helped. You can find more information, pricing, and ways to get in touch on our AppExchange listing or on our website.